Welcome to ADVUUT tips and tricks. Now we see how to change the favicon in our Magento. At first, open the jump or WAMP server. Here is my WAMP server. So here is my local host. I open my local host and my Magento project is here, renamed my Magento. Click here. Here is the home page. So here is the, look carefully, this is the favicon. This is the favicon. So we want to try to change this favicon, favicon or favicon. So now we do it. And how is it possible? When we go to WAMP, then I copied this address, new tab open, paste here and type your admin name. My admin name is admin_Magento. Enter. And now we enter our dashboard or control panel. So here dashboard is telling me to clear the cache. Okay. Flush Magento cache. Now I flush the cache management system. Now where we go? We go to the system. Okay, now finished. Magento cache storage has been flushed. Now we go to stores to change our favicon. Stores, then go to configuration. When we go to our configuration, then we click design. This is in the design part. Here is in the design part, here is on so many option. Then we click theme design, Magento Luma, HTML head. Here is the favicon icon. Choose. I already create my favicon. Here is my favicon. I created before. Now I open it, and default title is what? Default title is MET Fashion Zone. MET Fashion Zone. So here is some description. Keyword Magento variant e-commerce. MET Fashion Zone. What? Bangladeshi shop. So we save our config to change our HTML head, I mean favicon icon. Then here is my favicon. Look carefully. AFZ. Here is my favicon. Now we need to clear the cache. I flash Magento cache. So our Favicon is already changed. Here is my Favicon ADVUUT. Okay, if you like our video, then subscribe our channel.